guys! It's been raining like mad for the past week and it's really cold!
So cold!
We can't go anywhere and Sam can't stand staying inside anymore.
He absolutely can't! Ow! What do you think that is?
I guess the roof wasn't fixed properly.
You know what? I've had enough! I'll stop this natural outrage!
But how, Sam?
One Tibi-Dabo monk secretly told me about an ancient magical ritual for good weather. But I'm going to need your help!
Ooh, I'm intrigued.
A phoenix feather from its tail.
Where did you get a phoenix feather?
Hey, what happens in Arizona stays in Arizona.
Sounds serious. What's next?
An earthworm from under the porch. Another one to keep the first one company.
What should I do, Sam?
You should clean the space for the ritual.
Guys, do you think it's possible to control the weather? Comment below. Sam, do you really think this can help?
I just know it!
You, the slime of the 21st century, believes in superstitions? What's that?
It's our neighbor's wrench. And part of his lawnmower.
What?
Oh, where's the dragon egg?
In fairy tales, as far as I know.
We don't have a dragon egg? How is that even possible?
Well, I guess I'll have to lay one, if it's for the ritual.
Of course you'll have to. Go on. Did you hear it, guys? It's almost like she's not happy to do me a favor. What, Sue? What did you say? Oh, wait. What do you mean, lay one?
It's a metaphor. Of course I'm not actually laying it, silly.
Oh, I thought you'd really lay an egg.
No, I'll make it.
Oh, cool.
I promise the egg will be just like the real thing. I'll need a styrofoam egg, drawing pins, some styrofoam, and also some nail polish.
I can see that nail polish is pink again.
What's wrong with that?
People think you don't have any other color but pink.
Oh, I thought you liked pink.
I don't like it. I love it. Oh.
Which color then?
Blue. One of your favorites.
Oh, that's really better because scales are blue.
Duh. Amateur.
Let's start with the scales for the egg. First, I'll stick the pins into the styrofoam block to make them easier to paint.
I almost forgot Mr. Brownie's toy taken by force.
Sam, out with it. What is this ritual?
Tibi-Dabo natives carried it out thousands of years ago when cucumbers didn't grow well. They made sacrifices. Oh, is that a chocolate?
Yes, my chocolate.
Sharing is caring.
Oh.
What if there's a baby dragon inside? I need to rescue it!
And these pins will complete the composition. Sam, where are you going?
Me? Nowhere.
And what's that?
Sometimes the best way to answer a question is to run! Baby dragon, I'm coming! Aiming! Oh, this side's better. No, this one! Oh, wow.
Let's move to painting pins with the base color. This is a real exercise in patience. Oh, what happened there? Sam, you broke the egg?
Yeah.
Why?
I thought there was a dragon in there. I wanted to rescue it.
Some rescuer.
Yes, I'm very miserable.
Where will I get the egg now, oh miserable Sam?
Just a moment.
I'm scared to even imagine what he's up to. Oh well, I'll cover the pins with another layer. It'll be glitter. Guys, do you think a real dragon egg would look like this or differently? Comment below.
Still painting? No need to hurry.
Actually, I'm done. I just need to allow them to dry for a bit.
For a bit is how long exactly?
About 30 minutes, I guess?
Okay.
The pins are dry, and it's time to assemble the egg.
Wait! Here's an egg.
Oh, it's a chicken egg.
Oopsie.
I have to clean up after you again.
Show some care.
More care than I already show?
Can't you do more?
What a silly question, Sam. Fine, I found another styrofoam egg.
Why so angry then?
No reason. First, we'll push this pin into the base of the egg, like this.
Sam's reporting no dragons found in a chicken egg.
What a surprise.
If there's nobody else to rescue, I'm off to rehearse my ritual dance.
Go on.
Boogie blue blue blue, da 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 go do do do, ga ga da boo boo da ba. Okay. Oh, perfect. Are you done yet? Are you? When?
Sam, wait! Slow down!
Oh, come on! I'm starting to forget the words, and these clothes tickle when I dance.
And done, Sammy!
Oh, my feta!
What's the matter?
I got scared. It's like the real thing. Give it here, Sue. You're a real magician. Guys, if you like this dragon egg, give a thumbs up and send us videos if you make something similar.
Bye-bye! See you soon!
Oh, and look out of the window in an hour. There won't be any rain. Could be